So you even didn't mind landing when it was rough seas?
No, no. Well, the thing is, you watch what the ship is doing. It would go boom, 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 stop. It might stay like that for 30 or 40 seconds, and that's when you're going to land. And then it does it again. So you try to time your approach so you just as you get into the back of the ship, it's doing the nasty thing, and then it stops, and then you land. Then they tie you down right away.
Yeah.
Because if they don't tie you down, you're going to go flying off the side.
Right.